Hi everybody, hello. Welcome back to Lux Divination. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Well, let's get set for another reading. So first archetype we have the court. Something is going on in the court right now, some legal matters, right? And I feel like you are gonna get an unexpected amount of money here. Correct. The energy is coming as the Knight of Wands, right? So Knight of Wands is telling me a lot about your favorable outcomes, right, that are gonna come to you. And with that I clarified it. So first we've got the Moon, right? It's still hidden, some kind of legal thing, okay? I don't know why it was hidden, because see, Moon tells us about deception, okay? So maybe somebody deceived you and now they are going through legal matters, correct? And this is hidden from you. The amount of money is still hidden from you. Again, next energy is Knight of Wands again. Now this is telling me about yes, that even if they hid something from you, it's still coming to you, okay? It's not stopping and it's still favorable. It's still going in your favor, okay? 222, as I said that on the timer. Now next energy is Five of Pentacles energy. So I feel like somebody is gonna lose a lot of money here, okay? Or they are gonna confirmation, somebody is gonna lose a lot of money here. I feel this is a case of theft here, or somebody stole your energy and manifested a lot of money out of it, material possessions out of it, right? And now this person is gonna left behind with Five of Pentacles energy, because when I clarified this energy, I got Magician. This person took help of spells here, alright? A lot of life risking spells, right, that you can't even imagine. Horrible, and like, I don't know, they might have caused nightmares to themselves, okay? Like, they might have cursed their own bloodline here, okay? This is the actual condition right now that this person is in or is gonna be, okay? And whatever is coming their way is this, the Tower, okay? Everything is gonna fall apart in their life because they wanted to harm you. 414, as I said that, okay? In most of your cases, they wanted to unalive you, correct? But this is gonna happen very soon in their lives, okay? A firestorm is coming. I'm seeing everything falling apart, just falling apart. When this legal proceeding goes in your favor, bro, everything is gonna fall apart, literally. Alright. Now, I feel like this is regarding a Knight of Cups, Knight of Cups here. It's telling me about something about your new beginning, right? New beginning of some creative endeavor here, okay? This creative endeavor is getting you this energy. I feel like something that you are doing passionately, right, is exposing something here, right? So this is gonna be very, very fruitful, with Six of Pentacles energy, right? A lot of Pentacle energy is coming in. So I feel like whatever you are doing right now, passionately, some creative project of yours, alright, this is gonna put you in this position. And this is gonna be seen. This is related with this legal matter, okay? This is related with outcomes going in your favor. I feel like you are exposing these people and you're telling the truth, alright? Because you're a truth speaker and you're doing it very passionately, right? Because you're creative. And I feel like this is a new beginning in your creative journey. So keep at it. Keep at it. Next energy that we are tapping into is unexpected money, right? 27. 27 and see, first energy is moon. The moon. Moon came twice here. Again, this is hidden. Unexpected money. Maybe this is hidden, okay, by the divine forces, but I'm seeing that people are hiding money here, okay, from you, maybe. And 10 of Wands in reverse. So this is a setback, okay. 10 of Wands, setbacks here for these people because they wanted to hide something from you, right? Which gives us this as clarified, Ace of Swords. You know the truth now, alright? You know the truth very well about this, okay? Somebody wanted to keep some truth from you, okay? They did not want you to have this truth here, alright? Because legal matters are anyways going in your favor. They did not want you to know this. And they did not want this money to come to you. Even if they have stolen from you. See the audacity of these people. Very cheap. Very cheap. And now these people are, confused as to what should they do here. They are literally confused and they are not at all. They're overthinking about. They are bothered, yes. They are bothered, yes. Because you are in an established strength position. Okay, you are in an established strength position here. They can see you standing and going through a lot, but you are never gonna give up here, right? They sent so many setbacks for you, but you did not give up. That's what I'm talking about here. And that is, making these people think a lot, okay? That's putting these people in their head. But how? How you're still standing. Now, journey. This is regarding somebody's journey, okay? Ending here. I feel like this matter is of unexpected money as well as some end of a marriage or a relationship or a high level commitment here, okay? Yeah, this is an end of a permanent or let's say high level commitment, okay? Journey number 10. So the Lovers in reverse, right? This was a relationship where no one was at harmony, no one was at peace, right? Everyone was there because of material possessions, greed, and nothing else. Because the energy is coming out of as devil. Like these people were bound to the devil. They work for the devil here, right? They work for the devil and they serve. They were bound to demonic influences. Maybe both of them were possessed, demonically possessed here, right? Because they have direct ties with the devil here, okay? And they were in a relationship, okay? Like just because of material possessions and wealth hoarding, right? Yeah. Bonnie and Clyde situation, then I feel like these people saw you in this energy, okay? You were manifesting all along. See, you were manifesting all along with one hand, and with one hand, you have the wand in your hand with the exact roadmap where you are going, okay? So, the thing is that they underestimated your power, they underestimated your beauty, okay? The divine forces, the divine energy that surrounds you. They just wanted to siphon it, harvest it, and leech off everything, okay? Make money out of it, make material possessions out of it. That was actually being done by the devil here, okay? The devil is the real player here, okay? They were just conduits, or they are just conduits of the devil here, okay? There's nothing that devil will promise them for long term, right? They fell for it, that is it. And now the devil is actually using them against you, because the devil has an agenda, but these people doesn't have an agenda, okay? They just mindlessly, okay, out of demonic possession or influence came at you. That's it. See how bright this card is of Fool. And you are just embracing the unknown period, and on the other hand, these people doesn't even know where are they, okay? Where are they currently? Because of illusions. These are delusional people, whoever is coming at you right now, and they are gonna, I'm telling you that they are gonna literally end, they're gonna have painful endings, okay? So I have a Queen of Pentacles in reverse energy. This was a person, okay? So from this relationship, I'm getting a female energy or a male energy, take what resonates. So this is a feminine energy that is not nurturing, is just in a relationship because of material gains, okay? For money here, right? Money hoarding, right? This person was not the breadwinner of the family, rather it's a traditional kind of relationship here going on. So the masculine is the breadwinner of the family as usual, correct? Now let's move into the clarification cards for this. So anyways, they wanted to block your stability. I see stability coming in for you, right? With the Knight of Pentacles, and this is the Holy Spirit. I saw a lot of black horses today in the dream, and I feel like the Holy Spirit is around you in the form of animal messengers. Do not underestimate the presence of the Holy Spirit in your dreams, okay? If you are a direct channel or a direct medium, you might find the Holy Spirit, okay, with you always in your dreams now, okay? Recently after your awakening. Next energy that we are getting is of strength. So these people know now that you are very strong in spirit. Again, white color is very significant. White color, right? And you are quite celebrated. I always take this line as line of Judah. Right now, I'm taking it as line of Judah because, see, in adversities, the line of Judah is there for you, okay? Because you are on a divine mission here in spirit, right? And even if you look like a human, that doesn't mean that people will recognize you or your holiness, right? They didn't even recognize Jesus, so why would they recognize somebody who looks like a human, right? So leave alone that. Now next energy that we're getting with strength is Queen of Swords. Your game is up now. You are up leveling your boundaries here, right? You're quite fierce right now because you know the truth already, right? Whatever was hidden from you is no more hidden. The illusions are gone. They were trying to put illusions around you in the form of spells, right? But again, they are getting this energy, okay? This is gonna come at them on the divine timing because divine forces are at work right now. Literally, whatever these people are gonna try to come at you, they're gonna fail miserably, okay? And they are literally facing right now, or maybe are gonna face very soon, these permanent endings, because death card is here. The energy of death is so fatal here. I don't know, it looks fatal for me, because again, death is not only suggesting permanent endings here, but it also is telling me about profound transformation coming in your life and elimination or extermination of these negative energies once and for all from your life, okay? Because you are manifesting right now, okay? You are manifesting right now, and you deserve profound transformation, okay? You're actually going towards a transformation right now, whether it is painful or not. You are gonna have to dive into this unknown territory. This is your path, actually, a path less stretched, right? Cool. Last but not the least, we have occupation with number 34. Occupation with number 34. Something about what you do for work, correct? Again, with the Six of Pentacles, you are manifesting something huge, okay? So Six of Pentacles came out again, right? Previously as well. Okay, this is connected with your creative endeavor again, right? You can relate it very well with your occupation. See? So yes, this is a confirmation that you are manifesting this energy right now, right? And you are gonna get this Six of Pentacles. But see, these people are leeches, okay? They are leeching onto your energy, and they don't want to let go here. They don't want to let go here. I don't know why. See, one Knight of Pentacles is after your energy. Now, this can be a male figure here, okay? These people are literally planning how to get your manifestation, your pentacle energy, right? But they don't have proper plan. After that, there is no plan, okay? After that, there is no plan. That's why they're under judgment, okay? They're under heavy judgment over here. Because of planning what's not even theirs, right? Because of planning what's not even theirs, they are under judgment right now. Because they planned something that is, a spiritual crime, as well as they did not want you to heal. They did not want you to move in faith. They wanted you to lose your faith completely here because of what they were actually sending at you, okay? Because they have toxic mindsets, right? They don't want people to think positively about themselves. But anyways, you are winning and you are getting your harvest, your abundance here. With Nine of Pentacles energy, I see you celebrating in your abundance. See how surrounded you are with abundance. And how beautiful, how beautiful this harvest looks. And birds can be significant here. You might get a lot of information coming from birds, or birds can signify communication here, okay? In the distant future or in the near future, you're gonna get some communication, okay, regarding this. Bottom of the deck energy is Three of Swords, okay? So I feel like these people will feel this, okay? Or maybe these, because you are moving forward. See, the Chariot. You're moving forward with the Chariot. That's why these people are heartbroken now. Or you moved on from a heartbreak here. You moved on from a heartbreak. And you moved very quickly, okay? You moved on just very quickly. And again, Chariot came out like literally anything, because you're moving out very quickly. Again, this in another deck, the Chariot is here on the bottom of the deck. And Chariot here is again telling me about the forward movement that they cannot stop with any kind of black magic or spell that they are putting onto you. Correct? Alright. Yeah, let us take some astrological signs. Okay, Egyptian gods, goddess deck. Let me give you some advice. Okay. Let me pull out. Okay. Let me pull out some energies for you. If you are a reader or anything is bothering, I feel like there are a lot of naysayers, okay? A lot of naysayers that are gonna subscribe your channel and then are gonna unsubscribe, right? These kind of people show very inconsistent pattern, right? So be aware of such people, right? They're gonna subscribe one day and they're gonna unsubscribe another day. I feel like I'm not looking out for such subscribers, correct? So we got a lot of cards here. So first is Virgo, Libra, cusp. Somebody is a Virgo or Libra. Take what resonates. This is a cusp of beauty, balance logic with aesthetics and harmony. Okay, another meaning of this Virgo Libra cusp, as I told you. Galactic guides are with you right now. You are receiving wisdom beyond this world. Something about your intergalactic family right now that is communicating with your dream state, as I already mentioned during the read. Right? And yes, you are in your north node. Beautiful energy. You are going towards your right purpose, right? Step into your purpose. Your destiny is calling you. Elemental communication is also there. You might be working with a lot of elements, but right now the most dominant element is water, because purification is going on. Okay, you're being renewed, receiving direct messages from earth, fire, air, water, bonding with nature spirits, okay, and deepening your connection with nature to receive their wisdom. Something about your ninth house. Ninth house is all about higher learning, travel, spiritual growth. Yeah, spiritual growth. This is regarding your spiritual growth. Okay, you're seeking knowledge, you're expanding your new horizons, right? And you're open to new kind of adventure that we got from this card. See. Earth signs can be significant. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. In the opposition, or it can be your signs. Nephthys. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Nephthys, goddess of the night. Hidden truths. Wow. Yeah. Something about the moon energy is coming in. I cannot make this shit up. So hidden truths, the unknown, psychic gifts. The moon is also telling me about your intuition. You intuitively know about this unexpected money. Yes. A secret will be unveiled over here. Trust your inner knowing. You know about the secret. I told you already. This is confirmed, okay? This is a confirmation. This is confirmed over here by the goddess Nephthys. This is an Egyptian goddess over here, okay? 11th house, your social network, collective goals, technology, future visions, right? So the collective is shifting. Embrace progressive ideas and collaborations. This can be a new workplace, okay? This can be a new job where you are having collaboration, okay? You're gonna have progressive ideas. You're very creative because you are very creative. You embody this energy. You embody Nine of Cups energy. See, you embody Nine of Cups energy right now. So obviously, this is regarding your 11th house. And your 3rd house as well. Communication and knowledge. Right? Speak, learn and expand your mind right now. This is what it's telling me about your... Yeah, something that you're communicating, bro. I cannot make this shit up. Again, Nine of Cups. That's why it's bringing you this. See, that's why something your creative endeavor is actually related to speaking, okay? Speaking your truth. So this is attracting this energy. Okay? Rest. Take what resonates and leave what does not. I'll be ending this reading here. Thank you so much for joining in, tuning in. I'll meet you in the next message. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Divine Rising and ciao.